Countdown of the world's sinking cities. We begin our countdown at number 5. Houston, Texas. For decades, this industrial hub has aggressively extracted vast quantities of groundwater, oil, and gas from beneath its foundations. This has caused the soft subsurface layers to compact, causing thousands of square miles in the metro area to sink, by nearly 10 feet in certain districts, massively amplifying the region's vulnerability to catastrophic hurricane flooding. Number 4 is Venice, Italy, a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture built entirely on thousands of wooden pilings driven into a tidal mud lagoon. Venice faces a dual threat: the natural geological settling of the Adriatic plates, combined with historical groundwater pumping. Today, the city relies on a controversial multi-billion-dollar system of 78 underwater floodgates called the Mose Project, which must be raised just to keep the sea from permanently swallowing its history. Coming in at number 3 is New York City. Unlike other cities sinking from water loss, parts of the Big Apple are sinking under their own weight. Geologists have calculated that the collective mass of New York's buildings equals roughly 1.7 trillion pounds. This staggering downward pressure is compressing the complex matrix of sand and clay beneath the city. While the skyscrapers built on solid bedrock remain stable, the softer coastal areas are yielding, accelerating the risk of severe future storm surges. Number 2 takes us inland to Mexico City. Built by Spanish colonizers over the ancient Aztec capital of Tenochtitlan, the entire metropolis rests on a massive, dried-out lakebed. Today, the city pumps its drinking water directly from the ancient aquifers below. As the water drains, the heavy clay sediments dry out and collapse. The city is now dropping at an astonishing rate of up to 20 inches per year, causing historic buildings to tilt heavily and snapping underground utility lines. Finally, number 1 is Jakarta, Indonesia, widely recognized as the fastest sinking megacity on Earth. Because a large percentage of its 10 million residents rely on private, unregulated wells for water, the underground clay has compressed severely. Portions of northern Jakarta have dropped by over 13 feet in just 3 decades. The situation has become so untenable that the Indonesian government is actively abandoning Jakarta, building a brand new capital city from scratch on the island of Borneo.